Good morning, class. Today is the eighth class of consignment accounting, and as I have mentioned that in consignment accounting I have done many sums with you all, and in my last class also I have done 2017 years sum. Today I will be doing 2018 years sum, and again I will be taking another class for 2019 sum, which is there in the syllabus, and which has already been came in CU exams. So hope it will be benefited in your upcoming exam also. So as I have already been mentioned, so it will be have an impact on your exam. Please try to listen each and every class. And as I have discussed the 2018 sum, which is there in the PDF which I have sent it, it says that Ganga consigned 5000 kg of rice costing rupees 32 per kg to Yamuna on February 1, 2018 by paying rupees 5000 as freight. So Ganga is the consigner and Yamuna is the consignee. Ganga হচ্ছে consigner যে অর্ডার দিচ্ছে, যমুনা হচ্ছে গঙ্গার হয়ে কাজ করে দিচ্ছে কনসাইনি। ও কত করছে 5000 কেজি চাল রাইস সেলিং অ্যাট কনসাইনিং অ্যাট রুপিস 32 পার কেজি। কনসাইন করছে 32 টাকা করে পার কেজি 5000 কেজি অফ রাইস অ্যাট রুপিস 32 on February 1 by paying 5000 as freight. Freight payment করছে, freight charge, which is basically the consigner's expenses. So during transit 200 kg of rice were destroyed by an accident. Same case happens again over here. 200 kg of rice has been destroyed by accident. Yamuna paid cleaning charges, go down rent and salesman salary. Yamuna মানে consignees expenses কি clearing charge, go down rent and salesman salary. So if you see the non-recurring expenses are only the clearing charges, because go down rent and salesman salary are regular in nature, they are recurring in nature, and it is a recurring expenses. Recurring nature মানে তারা রেগুলার বেসিসে আসে, শুধু আমি নন রেকারিং এক্সপেন্সেস গুলোকে অ্যাড করি যখন আমরা ওয়ার্কিং নোট করি, কনসাইনিজ নন রেকারিং এক্সপেন্সেস অ্যাড করি, তাহলে নন রেকারিং বলতে এখানে একমাত্র ক্লিয়ারিং চার্জই আছে, সেটাকে আমি অ্যাড করব। So Yamuna is entitled to 6% ordinary commission and 4% DEL creditor commission. তো Yamuna again 6% commission পাচ্ছে, or ordinary commission পাচ্ছে, আর 4% DEL creditor commission, that is the special commission on sales. Yamuna reported on June 30 that 4000 kg were sold at rupees 1,65,000. So total amount of sales is basically 1,65,000 of 4000 kg, and 100 kg were lost due to some unavoidable cause. So 100 kg loss হয়ে গেছে, unavoidable cause maybe due to leakage in the godown, এর জন্য or leakage তো এখানে ব্যাপার নেই, maybe spoilage হয়ে গেছে, কারণ কি লিকেজ হলে তরল পদার্থ লিকেজ হয়, মানে it can be a liquid item can have an impact, but as rice is not a liquid item, in that case it may be a spoilage, destroyed, damaged. So 100 kg has been damaged, but the cause of damage is not mentioned over here, but it is also not a concern. What is the cause of damage? Entire amount due was received except in the case of customer who bought rice for 1500 could pay only 40% of his amount. Acha, Yamuna sent a check for final installment to Ganga along with the account sale. You are required to show actually consignment account and Yamuna account in the books of Ganga. So তোমাকে দুটো অ্যাকাউন্টই করতে হবে, কনসাইনমেন্ট অ্যাকাউন্টও দেখাতে হবে, Yamuna অ্যাকাউন্টও দেখাতে হবে. So it's a lengthy sum. Okay, so first I will do with the consignment account. So in the books of Ganga, consignment to Yamuna account. Okay, this is 2018 sums. So in the books of Ganga, consignment to Yamuna account. ঠিক আছে, গঙ্গার বুকসে কনসাইনমেন্ট টু আমি Yamuna অ্যাকাউন্ট করছি। সো হাউ, ফরম্যাট সেম, সব সেম, কিছু চেঞ্জ নেই। সো ফার্স্ট it's to goods sent on consignment 5000 kg at the rate rupees 32 to goods sent on consignment account 5000 kg, each kg cost 32, so 5000 into 32, it is coming 1,60,000, right? Freight charge bear করছে, so to bank account freight, which is 5,000. Consigners, this is consigners, consigner. এবার হচ্ছে consignees expenses গুলো to Yamuna account, consignees expense. Okay, what are those? Clearing charges, clearing charges, go down rent, and salesman salary. So clearing charges is 6,100, go down rent is 300, and salesman salary is 900. 7,300 total. Okay, sale has been given 4,000 kg, sold at rupees 1,65,000. So don't need to calculate, just put by Yamuna account sales, which is 1,65,000. It's provided sold 4,000 kgs. You can write that. Okay, no amount particularly given, so you can consider. Now the commission part. So it will be again to Yamuna account commission. Ordinary is basically how much percentage? 6% of sales, 6% of rupees 1,65,000. So it is coming 1,65,000 into 6%, so 9,900. Okay, I put that in the inner column, it's better. 9,900. Next, Del Trader. Del Trader is 4%, right? Of rupees 1,65,000, right? Del Trader is 4%, right? So 1,65,000 into 4%. Del Trader commission বলেছে 4%, তাহলে 1,65,000 এর 4% করছি, আমার কত আসছে? আমার আসছে হচ্ছে 6,600. If you add both, 16,500. I hope this one is clear. Up to this is clear, right? Up to this is clear. If up to this is clear, then we will go on doing the working note. Working note 1, valuation of goods lost in transit and unsold stock. okay. Cost of goods sent (5,000 kg into rupees 32). So it is 1,60,000, but kg is 5,000. This is kg. Amount is 1,60,000. Right? Add. Sorry, less. No, freight is there, na? Freight is there. So it will be add consignor's expense. Freight. How much? 5,000. It is 1,65,000. Right? Next, less goods lost in transit. How much goods has been lost in transit? 200 kg. So it will be 200 into 1,65,000 divided by 5,000 kg. Unitary method. 1,65,000 divided by 5,000 into 200. It is 6,600. So it is 200 and 6,600. So it is 4,800. And if you deduct from 1,65,000, it is coming 1,58,400. Now what we'll do? Add consignees non-recurring expenses. Non-recurring expenses. Only clearing charge is there. Right? Clearing charge টা একমাত্র নন রেকারিং আছে। সেটা কত? 6,100, 6,100. If you add this, it is coming 1,64,500. Over here is nothing. It's 4,800. Now normal loss has been given 100. Right? 100 kg has been normal loss. So normal loss, we have to deduct the normal loss. 100 kg, 4,700. And over here 1,64,500. So therefore unsold stock 4,700 minus 4,000 kg is equal to 700 kg. So therefore value of unsold stock, again value of unsold stock টা আমাকে ইউনিটারি মেথডে করতে হবে। কিভাবে করব? যদি 4,700 কেজির দাম 1,64,500 হয়, তাহলে 1 কেজির দাম 4,700 divided by means 1,64,000 divided by 4,700, and 700 kg will be 1,64,500 by 4,700 kg into 700 kg. So you will get the value divided by 4,700 into 700. So it is 24,500. You will get the consignment stock. So buy goods lost in transit account, working note 1, which is 6,600, and buy consignment stock account, again which is working note 1, You have just calculated this one, 24,500. So if you make the total 1,65,000 plus 6,600 plus 24,500, it's 1,96,100. 1,96,100. Okay. One lakh 96,100. So to PL account, profit on consignment, দেখি প্রফিট অন কনসাইনমেন্ট কত হচ্ছে, ব্যালেন্সিং ফিগার লসও হতে পারে, বাট আই হোপ ইট উইল বি প্রফিট। 1,96,100 minus 1,60,000 minus 5,000 minus 7,300 minus 16,500. It is 7,300. It is 7,300, right? So 7,300 is your basically right? I hope it is now clear. Yes, 7,300 is your PL account, profit on consignment, right? Okay. Now in the below, what I can do, in the below I have to do Yamuna account. Okay. Yamuna account, debit, credit, all amount rupees remains the same. I am just doing in a T format. So sold amount will be transferred to goods, to consignment, to Yamuna account, to consignment account which has been given 1,65,000. Over here it will be by consignment account, expenses, clearing charge, go down, rent and salesman salary. It will be 6,100, 300 plus 900, total is 7,300, right? Commission will again come by consignment account. The commission I am just transferring, আমি ট্রান্সফার করছি, কিচ্ছু করছি না, জাস্ট যেগুলো ইয়ামুনা লেখা আছে সেইগুলোকেই জাস্ট ট্রান্সফার করছি। কি ছিল? অর্ডিনারি আর ডেল ক্রেডার। অর্ডিনারি কমিশন 9,900, ডেল ক্রেডার 6,600, so total 16,500. আর কিছু নেই, nothing is there regarding Yamuna, so the balance will be by bank account, by bank account ব্যালেন্সিং ফিগার, এটা ব্যালেন্সিং ফিগার বেরিয়ে যাবে, ব্যাংক অ্যাকাউন্ট করে আমার ব্যালেন্সিং ফিগার বেরোবে। সো 1,65,000 and over here you deduct 7,300 plus 16,500, 23,800 minus 1,65,000 is coming 1,41,200. এটা আমার ব্যালেন্স ফিগার বেরিয়ে যাবে বাই ব্যাংক করে। কি করে? বাই ব্যাংক করে। So this is the sum for 2018. I hope if you go through the sum properly you will have a clear idea, right? Okay, So this is it. I hope you understand it. And in my next class, that will be my penultimate class of consignment accounting, I will be solving 2019 years paper. Okay. Thank you for the class, for patient hearing. Have a nice day. Thank you very much.